Facebook is building Instagram for kids
Hmm.
and targeted at kids under the age of 13. Kids won't tell you this, but apparently you're supposed to be 13 or older to use Instagram.
Hmm.
And there's other platforms like YouTube. They had a kids app for a really long time. And the aim there is to kind of cater the experience to the young folks and to, I suppose, kind of move them away from just lying about their age and just signing up to the big bad Instagram and just saying that they're 18 years old or whatever when they're not. Now, for a long time, regulators have thought, you're full of it, Facebook. You know damn well that that who's lying and who's not based on their behaviors. Like, you guys know everything.
Mm-hmm.
You guys know more about me than I know about me. So don't tell me that you don't know about these kids signing up and they don't meet the criteria. Like, for sure, you got all this traffic. Anyway, point being is apparently they've been heard, those concerns. And Facebook says, all right, fine, we'll do it. We'll put together this. And who knows, as far as like the future is concerned, people are going to want these users because like a 13-year-old becomes a 20-year-old, trust me, I did it before. I've done it.
Yeah.
Like myself.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to believe. Made it this far.
Yeah.
So part of it is that. And the other part of it is just if the experience is more catered, presumably the individual has a better time with it, ends up maybe feeling better after whatever that exposure is, because maybe some of the things that may have been too intense or, I don't know, just not targeted at them can be avoided or something.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, apparently they're working on it. Here's a quote. We have identified youth work as a priority for Instagram and have added it to our H1 priority list. I mean, how many priority lists they got? H1. This is going to go on H1. Executives in Instagram planning to build a version of the popular photo sharing app that could be used by children under the age of 13. I'm excited to announce that going forward, we have identified youth work as a priority. Yes, that's Instagram's vice president that said that. We will be building a new youth pillar within the community product group to focus on two things: accelerating our integrity and privacy work to ensure the safest possible experience for teens, and building a version of Instagram that allows people under the age of 13 to safely use Instagram for the first time. So it's actually a couple different problems. It's not just what you see on a platform. It's also the messaging stuff. The adults interacting in the private messages with the children. Very strange. And Instagram was apparently working on that too. They're like, well, we're trying to figure out algorithms to determine like when that's happening and to identify the accounts that are frequently doing that. But it's obviously a difficult task, and so maybe having a completely separate app for this group could just be a better move all around.
Yep.